Jess from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome to 32A Noble Street in Anglesea. It's a stunning property, it's contemporary, light filled. Come with me now, let's take a look. Perfect as either a holiday haven or permanent home, this property offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and featuring north-facing open-plan living. Soaring ply-lined ceilings with Tasmanian oak timber floors. Outdoors include a private sunny garden that is fully fenced and easy care. Located less than 500 metres to the river and within walking distance to the beach.